Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm just showing you all this simple gel polish design I've done using Goddess gel polishes and a 3D little snowman. We're using acrylic and a little bit of stamping using Born Pretty's stamping polish and the plate I got from Sparkle Supplies. So I'm just going in on the index finger with Wicked White. I'm just painting a full nail of that. And then on the rest I'm going in with Cadet from Goddess as well. So I do have a discount code for the website, which is Nirvana Nail Supplies, but I'll leave it all linked below in the description box anyway. And there you can purchase the Goddess gel polishes. They do like craft knives, they do lamps, they do e-files, they do all sorts. So yeah, go ahead and check them out because you'll get 10% sorry, off your order, I think it is, with code Beauty Lounge, all in capital letters. But like I say, I'll leave it all linked in the description box anyway. So yeah, I'm just going in and doing my first coat of those colours. And I really do love Goddess gel polish. Like, I'd not tried it that long ago. And I did a review. It's on the channel further down. Yeah, I did a review for them. And I actually really like the product. So I got rid of all my old gel polishes and stocked up with Goddess because I really liked it that much. It lasted really well. So I'm just going in now with my second coat. Curing in the lamp for 30 seconds. LED lamp. I just use the Sun 5 if anybody wants to know. I'm just making sure that I'm capping all the edges. I cap the edges with every coat. Sometimes if it's like on acrylic nails, because I don't want to lose my shaping and things, I don't cap, the first colour coat, but I do cap the second colour coat and I do cap the top coat as well. Just so you know. So I'm just going in here with an old top coat that I've got that I just use on my practice hand. It's a no wipe top coat because I'm going to go in with some pigment and it's called Unichrome, which is from Sparkle Supplies UK again. I have a discount code for those as well, which I will leave in the description box as always. So yeah, I've just top coated those and then I'm just coming in with the pigment and I'm just using the eyeshadow applicator to just dab it on the nail, and then I think I use my finger just to rub it in a bit better just to make sure all the particles are lay flat. Otherwise it doesn't quite give you that mirror chrome effect, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just want to take this moment to say hello to all my new subscribers. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the content. If there's anything you want to see, just let me know in the comments below and I'll try and get that done for you guys. But yeah, thank you all so much for subscribing and watching and supporting me. I really do appreciate it. So I'm just trying to work my way up in the YouTube world because I'm still quite new to it. I've not been doing it that long, and I'm trying to get more content out each week as well. But obviously I'm a mum as well of 2 children, so plus working, everything else, it's just finding the time, but I am really trying. So you can see there I'm just going in with a baby blue, same colour as the gel polish I've used. Stamping polish, which was from Born Pretty. The stamping plate was from Sparkle Supplies UK. And the stamper I think is born pretty as well. If I can find links, I'll pop links in the description box as well. And then I'm just going in and top coating those nails. For the chrome nails, I do tend to like load my brush up and float it on rather than dragging it on, because I just find it gives you a better finish with the chrome powders. And if I was doing this on a client as well, I'd also only half cure the first coat and then do a second coat and fully cure, just so that it's got something to stick to, so it's not quite fully cured, if that makes sense. And now I'm waffling. So onto the 3D work. So I've just placed down a small white acrylic. I can't speak today. I've just placed down a small bead of white acrylic is what I'm trying to say. And I'm just using a little 3D brush that I got off eBay. It's just a cheap one. It's about two quid. If I can find the link for that, I will leave it down below. However, I have had it a while, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But I will try. So I'm just shaping that into the snowman's body. And then coming in with a smaller bead for the snowman's head. And just place that down. I do faff. I don't know why. When you look back and you watch yourself, you think, why am I doing that? Don't know why. As you can see there, my brush is still quite wet. I should have drained them off, really. I would do if I was doing it on a client, so I don't know why I haven't. But yeah. So I'm just trying to shape that as best I can. And then I come in with a really pale blue to create the little snowman's hat. And then another pale blue that's slightly darker than the first one to create like the bobble on top of his hat, if that makes sense. You'll see anyway. And then I use that blue as well for the scarf. This is my first attempt at this, guys, so please be kind. However, if you do have any tips or anything like that, videos, anything, let me know. So I know you can't really see the stamp that I've done on the index finger. You may be able to see it in the picture at the end. But it's just a little love heart with some reindeers in, I think. Yeah, on the bubble of the hat as well, like the pom-pom at the top. I was trying to make it look a bit more textured, that's why I was like stabbing at it with my brush. In case anyone's wondering what I was doing. Excuse me. Yeah, there we go, I'm stabbing at it, trying to make it a bit more textured, but it didn't quite work. Never mind. So yeah, I'm just going in there and finishing off that scarf. I'm not great at 3D work, I've only just started doing it really the last couple of weeks. So I'm just experimenting and trying new things. I thought I'd let you guys see my progress and my journey. But yeah. And then I'm just coming in with a little tiny bead of orange acrylic just to create the carrot nose. So I'll just shape it with my brush, and then when I'm happy just leave it to set. And then I just come in with a little bit of black acrylic, and I mean a little bit because if you use loads or even a little bit too much, it'll run everywhere or it'll make your snowman go discoloured. So literally just dip in my monomer, wipe my brush both sides, and then literally put the tip of my brush into the black acrylic, literally just the tip, just to create the eyes, mouth and buttons. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye bye.